Hey guys, so I am installing a brand new top end and of course a brand new power seal, redone, replated cylinder on a 2004 KTM 300 EXC. And I was getting ready to put it all back together, and this freaking piston here by Vertex was giving me a freaking headache getting the darn circlip in. This was defeating me. I finally found a little video that helped, but even that technique didn't quite do it for me. I just now finally got it in. As you can see, I put some not so nice little marks on here. I'm going to make sure that's kind of smoothened out a little bit. But what matters is that the snap ring on one end is in, and then I can put the piston on the connecting rod and do the other snap ring. So the ticket here for these, first off, why this is so much more difficult than normal pistons is because if you see here, there's a lip section. So you got a bunch of clearance, easy to get a ring in here, very easy, goes right in. But to get it into the actual snap ring groove, that's very difficult. It did not want to go. Did not want to go. And I was finding that my hands are still, fingers are super sore. The ticket here, what I found, almost pretty much where I placed it. Let's see if you can see. All right, so you want to put the ring in this section first where it will go in pretty easily. Hopefully you can see the two ends. So place it like that first. Okay. Hold one side with your finger, thumb, or something. Grab a small flathead. Put it in here while you're holding the other end over here. Put it in here. Pop it up. Get it into the ring. Okay. Then comes a little bit trickier part. So then you have to make sure it's pressed in as hard as you can right around here still. Push it down, okay? Make sure it's as pushed down as you can. Hold it, grab the flathead again, and pry right here. Now you have a lot more of the ring to pry, but it does work. I found that it worked for me. You hold it as tight as you can. Make sure that side that you already got in stays in. Pry it, and then it will fall into the groove. This is the only way I found that works properly. So anyways, I don't know why Vertex made the piston like this. Maybe KTM from the factory, the pistons look like this. I really don't understand, because the normal ones from Wiseco and Vertex, I've used Vertex before, and they're not like this. All they have is a straight hole through and, the snap ring groove. It's easy enough to kind of work that in. This one is just extra difficult, so it definitely takes a proper technique to get it in. Man, learning experience. See, as a mechanic, backyard mechanic, if you will, I'm not a professional, if you will, at this, but you learn something new every day, and it took me a lot of trial and error. So let's get this darn bike back together. Hope this helps, guys.